is a comprehensive guide to using noise putty. I just gifted my friend a tin of this great noise putty. And my friend is none other than artist Nikhil Bandur. Nikhil Bandur, please.
Can you please help me with the noise putty?
It's very easy, just follow me.
Yeah.
You open your tin of noise putty. You remove the dough. Oh, what a lovely gooey dough. Looks like it just came out of my nose. Yum. And then you try to put it inside. Straw. And then you try to put it inside. Oh, my stomach. Oh. I think it's a roast I just had. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. And then so on and so forth. Keep playing with the noise putty.
Oh, thank you. I really learned how to make noise putty.
A nice blue one.